Hello, welcome to Nail Brag. Today we're going to be making these adorable fruit nails. So to get started, we're going to do the watermelon nail. For this one, you're going to paint your nail white and then grab some green polish and a striping brush, which is just a long thin brush. And you're going to paint that green polish around your cuticle to make the rind of the watermelon. And just take your time with this one. And when you are happy with the way that looks, grab some pink polish and you're going to paint this in the middle, and you want to make sure to leave a little strip of white for that rind of the watermelon. And then when that is finished, you're going to grab some black polish and your striping brush to make the seeds. Okay, so onto our lemon nail. We're going to paint this nail yellow, of course, and then use some white polish and a striping brush to create the white of the lemon. So just go around in a semicircle, leaving some of the yellow showing at the bottom near the cuticle. And then we're going to paint 3 white lines to make the segments of the lemon. And then I like to go around and round out those corners to make it more organic looking, more like the shape of an actual lemon. And then when you're happy with how that's looking, and if it's looking lemon-like, take your dotting tool and you're going to dip it in some of that white polish for the center of the lemon, clean up around the edges, and finish with the top coat. Now it's time for our strawberry nail, my favorite nail. So you start by painting this one red, and then you're going to take your dotting tool, dipped in some black polish, and make some polka dots on the nail to look like the seeds of a strawberry. I usually start by making a row down the middle and then going down on either side to find the midway point. Clean up the edges, and then I am taking my striping brush dipped in some white polish to put down the leaves first, because I want to make sure that green looks bright and that you can't see the black dots through the green. So I'm going to put down some white first, and then I'm going to go back on top of that with some of the green so that it really pops on top of the red. And once you've finished painting all of your leaves, you can go in with your top coat and you're done. Next up is our pineapple nail. So for this one, we're also going to paint it yellow and then go in with a light orange polish and a striping brush, and we're going to make some diagonal lines in one direction, and then we're going to make diagonal lines going in the other direction to make that kind of cross hatch that you see on a pineapple. And when you're finished with that, you're going to take some green polish and a nail art brush and start making some leaves on the top of the nail. And I just cannot keep my thumb in frame, apparently. Then add your top coat and you're done. And now our kiwi nail. You're going to paint this one green and grab a dotting tool and some white polish to make the center. Then you're going to grab some black polish and the smallest dotting tool that you have, or a toothpick could work for this, and you're going to make some tiny black dots around the center. I'm kind of blocking your view here, but this was the only way I could do it. I actually got these dotting tools off Amazon, but they come in a lot of different sizes. So I'm just going around with a very light touch around the outside of this white circle and finishing the dots, and then topping with our top coat, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this fruit nails tutorial. Please let me know in the comments below which fruit nail was your favorite, and be sure to like this video and subscribe.